back to another episode of Aerial Assault. John here, and behind me is my newly set up beginners to editing system. Our main editor, Christian, is going back to college tomorrow, so it's hard to get in contact with him, let alone have him take the time to really come down, or for me to get up there and break down and spend the time to edit videos. So for the last couple weeks, he's been teaching me how to run this system and how to really break it down so we can be more consistent with our uploads and getting content out to you guys on our channel. Jumping into this episode, it's an easy, no need for a long drag out introduction. This was our toughest weekend of turkey hunting that we had all year. And not for the fact that we weren't working birds. We worked multiple birds on all 3 days, but we just could not connect on these birds. They'd hang up and end up walking off with a hen, or we would just swing and whiff on them and off they went. So hope you enjoy the video, guys. Hope you get a laugh at our expense. It's all you can do when you have a weekend like that, just laugh it off. And remember to subscribe to our channel at the end of this video to keep up to date with what we'll be doing come this future season. We're expecting a good one. We're bringing in new field staff members so we can be consistent and bring more content to you guys throughout the year. Instead of 5 episodes for the deer season, we would like to try to get upwards to 10. So again, subscribe to stay up to date with us. We're expecting good things and hope you'll be a part of it. Opening morning 2016. Waiting on Cody as always.
Bullshit. He never wakes up.
Yeah. Look who's ready.
Hey guys, this is Cody from Aerial Assault. Earlier you saw us go after a tom. Sadly to say, we had a group of jakes scare him away on us. Kind of ruined John's shot. Sadly to say, the jakes were moving a little too quick on us. They kind of got around the blind. So I had to go turn around and take a shot at one. And this is the guy I got. First jake. Which way did he fly?
Hey, it's Chris here from Aerial Assault. Today we're in upstate New York, and we're going to be shooting a turkey. Professional. At the base of the neck right behind it. Okay. I mean, this bird's gone if he fucking goes up the hill. He's going up the hill. He's not coming. Take it now or you're not getting it. I'm good. Fuck.
Day 3 of hunting turkey. I fought a grizzly bear. Punched me in the arm. Yeah. We gotta shoot another turkey. Yeah.